Igbo mụrụ nze mụ ọzọ. Unu amụkwana nze ọzọ. Unu makwana 4 Igbo sons were selected in the 2026 NBA draft. That is American basketball. Unu na-akụkwa aka ebe a. Unu na-akụkwa aka ebe a. Their names are Ebuka Okorie, Felix Okpara, Zubi Ejiofor, and Ugonna Onyenso. 4 Igbo sons were drafted into the NBA 2026. Chineke. And you know the most iconic part was when they showed Ebuka Okorie's father. Nwoke yigodo efisi agụ. Mgbe m furu nwoke na-asị ogini. Yes, that's my brother. Igbo kwenu ogini. We know they carry last. We know they carry last.
The 17th pick in the 2026 NBA draft, the Oklahoma City Thunder select Ebuka Okorie from Stanford University.
Wow. Heading to go to Stanford. His final college choices were Harvard, Brown, and then...
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Clack it. The media will not show this one. You can see it's Igbo excellence. We are excelling all over the world. But the media will not show this one. That is why I'm here to showcase it. Showcase the Igbo, what Igbo people are achieving all over the world. The greatness of Ndi Igbo. Maka Igbo amaka. Igbo amaka. I get it. Igbo amaka.